Step 3 to creating an effective lockout plan is to equip employees with devices. This step involves making sure that your employees have the necessary lockout tools to ensure their safety on the job and are well trained in how to use them. The physical act of locking out a machine is done in 3 steps. Step 1. Securing the energy control point with a lockout device. Lockout devices come in many different shapes and sizes. Some are designed to lock out a very specific type of energy source. Some are able to be used in multiple applications. Step 2. Attaching one padlock to the device per authorized employee. This will ensure the device cannot be removed and the machine cannot be re-energized while it is being serviced. Your choice of lockout padlock must be different from all other padlocks in your workplace, in shape, size, or color, so that your padlock is unique to you and is easily recognizable. Step 3. Attaching a lockout tag to the padlock. Lockout tags give clear notice to everyone in your facility that the machine in question is not to be used, and provides the name of the person who locked out the machine. Hundreds of different lockout tag messages are available in a variety of sizes, shapes, and materials. Emedco carries all of the lockout devices, padlocks, and tags that you'll need to keep your workplace safe. For more information, visit us online at emedco.com or give one of our lockout experts a call today.